Hello everybody, welcome back. I have another unboxing video for you today. So today's unboxing video is going to be of a beauty subscription box. And it's going to be the first box that I've gotten from this company. And it is called Eyescream Beauty. So if that's something that you're interested in seeing, then keep watching. All right, everybody, as I said in the teaser, this is going to be an unboxing of Eyescream Beauty. This is my first box from Eyescream Beauty, and this is actually the September box. It took a while to get here, but that's because of the fires that are going on in California, so I completely understand. But I'm excited to finally have gotten the box, and I'm hoping that my October box will come this month as well, so a little bit later on, maybe I'll be doing a second unboxing from Eyescream Beauty. So without any further jibber-jabber that I like to do, let's go ahead and open the box. The box came, it's kind of a cool looking box, and it opens like a, you know, I had to cut open. I don't want to show because it's my address, but anyway, I had to open it up here. And inside, it looks like this. So, there's a little card. Oh good, it is the September box. September, day to night. Oakland's, okay, so this actually, tells you about the items that are going to be in the box. It doesn't really describe the items, it just gives the name, but the good thing is it actually gives the retail price, so you'll know exactly what your box is worth. There you go. So if you're not familiar with Eyescream Beauty, this particular subscription box is $24 a month. And I know that every single box is supposed to contain at least one eyeshadow palette. So, but that's really the only thing that I know about it at this point. Let's look at the card and see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like there's 5 items in this box. I'm assuming they're all going to be full-size items. Let's see. I do have the website posted here. Let's see if they says, okay, so for Eyescream Beauty, it is $24 a month. You're gonna be getting 5 to 7 items every month. It is free shipping and you can cancel anytime. All right, so 5 to 7 items every month. And this one, like I said, has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it doesn't say whether they're full size or sample sizes, or so we'll see. The first thing in this box, and I'm gonna try not to get the shreds of paper everywhere, but comes in a little bubble wrap thing. But this is a Hikari all-in-one palette. So Hikari all-in-one. I can't remember if I've gotten any Hikari products before, so this particular palette is $53. So this already pays for the box. I have seen some Hikari products on some of the other unboxing videos, and I know they can be a little bit more on the pricier side, so I'm not surprised that this is $53. Let's see here what's inside. All right, so it's got 4 pans in it. Looks like maybe 2 blushes and a bronzer and a darker highlighter maybe. Let's see, it doesn't really, yeah, it doesn't really say on this particular case. Let's see if it says on this. Yeah. But yeah, that's what it looks like to me. To my inexperienced self, it looks like there's 2 blushes and maybe a highlighter and a contour. So there's no mirror in it, so it's not something that maybe would travel well, but I don't know if the colors are something that I can see myself using. But I'm not going to bother swatching it right now, just because I can't see myself using it. Maybe I'll put it aside for a future giveaway. So that's item number one. Then let's go out and pull the next item. This looks like maybe a lip product. Yes. So this is Beauty Creations. Let's look at the card. Beauty Creations Matte Lip Gloss. And this is $5. So we've got this lip gloss here. Let's see if it gives the color. It is Bay. Let's see here. I do enjoy lip glosses, so this looks like it might be a color that I can see myself using. We'll see. Let's go ahead and open this up. And it looks like it's maybe on the pinker side. It's got a very faint scent, but I can't really describe what the scent is. So let's go ahead and swatch this and see what it. Ooh, wow. That's what the. It's nice color, and it went on very smooth and creamy, so we'll see. I'll be interested to see what that looks like on me. I'm not wearing any lip gloss now, but I'm very hesitant to try it on camera for you at the moment. I will be doing at some point another makeup application video, more than likely with the eyeshadow palettes that I got from Hot Topic. So you'll be seeing me attempt to do a look then. But for now, let's just do the unboxing. So let's pull out the next item. This is Cara Beauty. And let's see what this is. Cara Beauty Lip Liner, which is $7. Oh, did I say what the price of the lip gloss was? $5. This lip liner is $7. So now just keep in mind we've already paid for the box with the Hikari palette. This is gonna be. Oh, I cannot read this. My old eyes cannot. What? I will put it in the description box below after I get my magnifying glass out and figure out what the color is called. So let's go ahead. I don't really see myself using a lip liner, so I don't know if I necessarily want to open this because I may just put it in a giveaway. But just to show you what color it might be, that's the color there. But I don't, like I said, I don't want to open it up because I don't. If I do it in a giveaway, I don't want anybody to feel uncomfortable getting this. So, all right. I'm getting to the point now where I think I've gotten enough items where maybe sometime really soon I could be doing one of my first little giveaways. So keep watching for that, because that should be coming up hopefully sometime soon. So we've got the lip liner. That will definitely probably go with the Hikari palette. This is this is a larger item. Oh, let's pull out what's under it because it's easier to get to. Looks like another Hikari. Yeah. So this is the Hikari Glitter Mask Duo Pack, which is $24. And let's see, to open this. I'm not necessarily a glittery person, but let's see what this is. Oh, this is actually, okay, it's not what I thought at all. This is a peel-off face mask. I thought this was going to be like a glitter. if I had read the front of the box, it says face mask. So this will be interesting. So this I actually will use. I do like, it's a sheet mask, I'm assuming. Nope. It's not a sheet mask. But a peel-off face mask. So I'm not crazy about peel-off face masks, but I will definitely give this a try. Maybe it's just been the ones that I've used in the past have not been great quality. So I will give this one a try. And so that's 1, 2, 3, 4 items, and we had 5 in this. So we've got this last item, looks like it's the eyeshadow palette. Let's see here. Yeah, and it comes in the bubble wrap again. Looks like a cool cover. This is the eyeshadow palette. So this is the Oaklin Sundowner palette, which is $24. So again, if you didn't have that Hikari palette, which was $53, this by itself pays for the box. This I'm a little more excited to get. This has got 18 colors in it. So it's the back there, and let's see what they're tiny palettes, but that's okay. I don't use eyeshadow very often, so I don't need large pans. The mirror is kind of cool. It's got like a little cutout frame, which is nice. Let's see here. I'm gonna pull the plastic off to show you the colors. It's a very earth tone fall palette. So it looks like there's a lot of shimmers in this. Yeah, this is a great fall palette. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I see maybe 6, 7 shimmer colors. So I'm not familiar at all with actually the Oaklin company. So let's go ahead and give one a try. Maybe I'll do this gold shimmer. This gold shimmer here I'll try, and then maybe I will give one of the darker mattes. Actually, I'll give it the orange because I'm an orange person. So this orange at the end, which looks like a matte. So there is the gold and there is the orange matte. So let's see what those end up looking like. Those, obviously the gold shimmer, and that's the matte, but let's see what they look like on my hand. Oh, that gold shimmer goes on well. And the orange goes on really well. So the gold shimmer, obviously, and that's the orange matte. It looks much more orange in person. On camera, it's looking, oh, there, you can kind of see. So, but it's a much redder orange in person. But they go on nice. They're not powdery. That was just one swipe. So I'm impressed so far with this. So, all right, well, that is the last item in the box. So we definitely got what we paid for. I know that, like I said, they give one eyeshadow palette in each box, so I'm impressed with this one. I will give that a try at some point. I don't see myself using the Hikari palette, so that will go in a future giveaway. Again, I see maybe a giveaway happening sometime very soon because I've gotten enough products now. For a small giveaway, it's not going to be like a huge haul, but it'll be, you know, a nice little giveaway for somebody who uses the items more than I would. So keep an eye out for those. So keep watching my videos. And that looks like it will do it for the Eyescream Beauty subscription. Again, this was my September box. So even though this is being posted in October, like I said, due to the fires in California, this one was delayed. So I will be posting maybe my October one soon if I get that, hopefully, cross my fingers. So I will see you in my next unboxing video, which is actually going to be filmed today. It's the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. That one's not as exciting for me because I already know the items I'm getting, and I'll talk about that in that video. So if you are interested in seeing that, then look for that post as well, and I will see you in that video. All right, everybody, stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.